Check out this new mural downtown. It is part of our Centennial celebration of Route 66. We're calling it Route 66 Remix. And part of it is about 20 pieces of art that are all along the route. And this is the newest. It's an amazing depiction of portals in time on Route 66. And of course, what you see here is a little bit about our combination of Native American buffalo representation through time, and also different portals of our landscape through the time of day. So it is a spectacular collaboration between two famous muralists and artists here in New Mexico. And we're so fortunate it's here for all of us to enjoy.
So the inspiration behind this collaborative mural behind me with my good friend Thomas Christopher Haag was what did Route 66 look like before Route 66? It's important to think of portals in specific places within the city, and murals are a thing that you go to experience. It gathers all the energy in the area, and it also affects energy in the area. So it's really significant to be in this specific space.
A buffalo is the animal that when a storm comes, instead of running for shelter or turning away from the storm, a buffalo will face it. They all face it together and head into the storm because they know that walking through the storm will get out of it faster. And so that's a really nice metaphor for these times. It's very visible, and it's kind of a gateway into the western part of downtown. And so just being up here painting it, you see people's heads turn and they stop for a little bit and consider the wall and everything. And that's really what you want. Give people a nice reason to stop and ponder and appreciate something. And I think this will do that.